everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today, we are diving into the fascinating world of biology to explore a crucial aspect of our bodies, the endocrine system. Get ready to learn about endocrine glands and how they impact our daily lives. Imagine your body as a complex network of messengers that communicate using chemicals. That's where endocrine glands come into play. These glands are like your body's own messaging system, producing hormones that regulate various functions. Let's start with an example, the pineal gland. Located deep within your brain, the pineal gland is responsible for producing a hormone called melatonin. Melatonin plays a crucial role in your sleep-wake cycle, helping you fall asleep at night and wake up in the morning. Another important player is the thyroid gland. It's located in your neck and produces hormones that control your metabolism. For instance, if your thyroid gland is overactive, you might experience weight loss, increased heart rate, and nervousness. Moving on to the adrenal glands, which sit on top of your kidneys. These glands produce hormones like adrenaline, which kick in when you're faced with a fight or flight situation. Adrenaline increases your heart rate and provides a burst of energy, helping you react quickly to danger. Now, let's talk about the pancreas. This gland has a dual role. It's part of both the endocrine and digestive systems. It produces insulin, a hormone that regulates blood sugar levels. Without enough insulin, the body can't effectively use glucose, leading to diabetes. Lastly, let's touch on the gonads, the ovaries in females and testes in males. These glands produce hormones like estrogen and testosterone, which play a significant role in reproductive development and function. So, there you have it, a brief journey through the world of endocrine glands. From the pineal gland that influences your sleep to the adrenal glands that help you handle stress, these glands work tirelessly to keep your body in balance. Next time you feel hungry, stressed, or even sleepy, remember that it's your endocrine system at work. If you found this video informative, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe for more exciting explorations into the wonders of science. Thanks for watching, and stay curious.